Hello, I'm Sharbani Bhattacharya and I'm going to start with the soft computing second lecture, that is Introduction to Neural Network. Now in first lecture we have understood what is neural network, what is genetic algorithm, what is fuzzy logic, what is expert system. These are all parts of soft computing. So Introduction to Neural Network gives the part where we only discuss about the neural network. Topics of this lecture is concepts of neurons, definitions of neural network, applying biological neurons concepts in computer science, characteristics of artificial neural network, and application of neural network. Now you will be able to answer the questions after this lecture are: what are neurons? What is artificial neural network? What are synapses and weights? What are applications of artificial neural network? Why artificial neural network is important, and benefits of artificial neural network to the humankind. Now, definition of neural network. According to DARPA neural network study, a neural network is a system composed of many simple processing operating in parallel, whose function is determined by network structure, connection strengths, and processing performed at computing elements or nodes. That is a neural network where we say many parallel processing is done by the elements which are operating parallelly. They are working together to give some desired output. That is, the strength and the processing element come together and give a desired output in such a manner that is a format where the way nerves of human being also work like that. So, now definition of neural network given by Simon Hacking. A neural network is a massively parallel distributed processor that has a natural propensity for sorting experiential knowledge and making it available for use. It resembles the brain in two respects. Knowledge is acquired by a network through a learning process. Second, interneuron connections strengthens known as synaptic ways used to store the knowledge. Now, this definition is given by neural network by Simon Hacking, and Simon Hacking has published many papers on this particular topic. So, one of the very good author of book Neural Network is given by Simon Hacking. So, this is one of the good books. You can also read it. Then, definition of neural network by Negrin. A neural network is a circuit composed of very large number of simple processing elements that are neurally based. Each element operates on local information. Furthermore, each element operates asynchronously. Thus, there is no overall system clock. Next, that is by Zurada. Artificial neural system or neural network are physical cellular system which can acquire, store, utilize experiential knowledge. So these are the topics. Then useful properties of neural network. Now useful properties are non-linearity, input-output mapping, adaptivity, evidential response, contextual information, fault tolerance, VLSI implementability, uniformity of analysis and design, and neurobiological analogy. Now, non-linearity. Non-linearity means when we say linearity, this means when we can classify, we can separate together two things by a line, we say it's linear classification. And if we cannot do it, we have to cannot classify a thing into by a straight line, we say it's non-linear classification. So, in neural network, I can do many things which is non-linear. That is, in non-linear things, non-linear complex systems can be handled by neural network. Then input-output mapping. So the properties of neural network is mapping of input and output. I have given some input, I want some output, and I have in between adjusting weights and synaptic weights to get my proper output. So there is a mapping between these two. Adaptivity. Neural network has adaptivity. It adapts to a situation. That is, the requirement is according to my desired position. So my system adapts the normal situation of whatever the adaptation is required, and this way my system is giving me more robustness. Then evidential response. That is, I can take the response and take an evidence of it. Then contextual information, fault tolerance. Neural network systems are having fault tolerance. Then VLSI implementability. That is, you implement in the very large scale integrated circuits. Then uniformity of analysis and design. Then neurobiological analogy. Now the nervous system. When you can see your general nervous system, this is your biological neuron, and this is what I am taking a diagram of it. Here you have, this is your cell. Each cell is listed in nucleus. This is connected with this part as axon, and these are called dendrites. Each and every neuron is connected via this dendrite. So dendrites are giving connection from one neuron to another neuron, and here I have a synapse size changes in response to learning. So my size changes in response to the learning. Here you can see the diagram. Here I say it's a simulator. Simulator goes to the receptor. Receptor goes to the neural net, and neural net to effector, and then response. Now I have already given one example prior in my lecture, that when I have a candle there, if the flame is coming out, if I put my hand on the flame, I will take it back. Now what are the things happening? Thing is happening that my neurons on my hand cell are touching the fire. These neurons are passing to the next neuron through axon. Axon is the part who passes the next stimulus to the next neuron. Through axon it is passed to the next neuron, and then to the next neuron. Ultimately it goes to the brain, which is the effector. And brain gives an information that this particular thing is having this kind of negative thought or hurting kind of attitude. So please take away your hand. So there is a response to it. So simulator simulates all the things and put it to the receptor. Receptor goes to the neural network, neural net goes to the effector, and then there is a response. This is the biological neural network which is taken care of, and same thing we are going to apply in our neural network. So in our biological versus artificial neuron, biological neuron consists of cell. That is same, it is also called neuron in our artificial neuron, and same thing biologically are also called neuron. Then dendrites, that is in artificial neurons we have weight or interconnection. Then soma, that is biological neuron, and in artificial neuron we say net input. Axon, that is called output. So these are the biological versus artificial neuron. Then characteristics of artificial neuron. Now it is mathematically implemented neural model. Second, there exists a large number of highly interconnected processing elements called neurons in an artificial neural network. The interconnections with their weight, linkage, hold the informative knowledge. The input signal arrives at the processing element through connections and connecting weights. The processing element of the artificial neural network have the ability to learn, recall, and generalize from the given data by suitable assignment or adjustment of weights. Sixth point, the computational power can be demonstrated only by the collective behavior of neurons, and should be noted that no single neuron carries specific information. So these are the 6 points on which we explain that this is the artificial neural network characteristics. Then see, there exists large number of highly interconnected processing elements. So on my artificial artificial neural network can take care of the complexity of the system. As my system is complexity is required, I can have more and more layers of neurons to access the complexity, and then I can get the desired output. The interconnections of these weights and linkages, they also give me the manipulation to change my weight, to have more better solution once I have seen my solution is this. That is what, that you have one solution, then you say I have more neurons, so I will just go back, I can say another cycle, and in another cycle my result is better. So I can take another cycle, the result is much better. So these things are the characteristics of neurons. Then input signal arrives at processing elements through connections and connecting weights. Now computational powers can be demonstrated only by collective behavior. So these are the characteristics of artificial neural network. Next, the model of artificial